welcome back to another video. So to close off my trip in Negril, I decided to do something that I've always wanted to do, and that is to visit Rick's Cafe, guys. Rick's Cafe, to do an adrenaline rushing activity, which is the jump off the cliff. Well, guys, you might be wondering why I'm so excited about that. If you don't know, well, NoMediocre 876 loves adrenaline rushing activities. And even though I can't swim, you know, I am willing to do it as long as they have a lifeguard. If you've done this before, guys, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed us yet, hit that subscribe button right down below. That button that's word in red, hit it, man. And turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss out on any video I post in this studio. So, let's go, guys. Alright guys, I have changed over into my swimwear and I met this great guy, Spider. I spoke to him earlier this morning but I didn't film it. Spider, say hi.
Yeah man, I said go man, Rick's Cafe, Jamaica, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Come anytime you want, don't do it jump.
Yes guys, so he told me not to be scared because he's gonna be with me throughout it all.
So anytime you're ready to work with you.
Alright, Jamaica Spider-Man, listen to Jamaica Spider-Man.
No, what? Well, yeah,
Yeah,
Spider-Man.
Jamaica Spider. They're not Spider-Man, it's Spider-Man.
You can't just say Spider. We don't want to be Jamaican and we don't want to be too much American. So
Yeah,
we
man.
say Spider.
Yeah, man, we have to do it authentic self.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Rick's Cafe in Negril is one of Jamaica's most famous hot spots. It's actually a bar and restaurant, but most people go there for the heart-throbbing cliff jumping, like myself, and the breathtaking sunsets. Now let's look at the history surrounding Rick's Cafe. The cliffside was originally owned by a local doctor who was the son of the first Governor General of Jamaica. However, Rick's Cafe was founded in 1974 by Richard Hirschman. At this time, Negril was pretty quiet with very few establishments, electricity, telephone or running water. Negril was also known for the wonderful 7 Mile Beach. However, Rick's Cafe added another breathtaking attraction. It was the first public bar and restaurant in the area that possessed such a magnificent view of the sunset. Unfortunately, in 1988, Hurricane Gilbert hit the island and totally destroyed Rick's Cafe. The waves went as high as 25 feet on the cliff and over the trees. Rick's Cafe was soon rebuilt, but Hurricane Ivan hit in 2004 and destroyed it again. Waves from Hurricane Ivan went as high as 60 to 80 feet. Once Hurricane Ivan passed, Rick's Cafe came back bigger and even better. So, if you've been to Rick's Cafe, guys, let me know in the comment section. Disclaimer alert, be warned, the food and drinks are pricey, so I strongly suggest you come with your belly full. That's if you're on a tight budget. On the other hand, if you have the cash to spare, it's really nice to relax and have a few drinks, but don't expect a 5-star restaurant meal.
You might go feel something. You want it? Yay! Yay! Go, Joe, you can do it. Go. Go. It ain't already.
2,000 years later.
I did it, guys, but guess what? I am not going up there. I need to work on my landing.
Land right for your body. Don't press your body at the week down here.
Jesus, where
Oh, you're not like that. So you need to work more on your jump here.
Alright, tell her what's final.
How many do you give up early? I give up early. You can't do it. You can't do it. That's all I thought.
You look like you class.
Yeah, but you don't think to work on it. You can't do it. Just pick yourself up and start over here again. Yeah, man, you can do it, man. Remember, more tight. Have you ever hit the water?
You know me myself.
I need some more practice.
Where? I have to do one. Couple practice over there.
Little adventure at Rick's Cafe was great. It was great. But let me tell you something, guys. I went there thinking that not thinking. I went there saying I'm gonna jump off the highest cliff like what I see on social media and TV. But let me tell you something. Not all that glitters is gold, because I didn't go to the highest point. I couldn't, because there is a tactic in jumping off the cliff. If you realized, Spider, which is the lifeguard, was actually teaching me several times, basically giving me lessons as to how to jump off the cliff, you know. So the cliffs that I jumped off were the 2 feet and the 10 feet. The highest one is 70 feet, and the second highest one is 35 feet. And guys, even the 2 feet was a challenge, and you saw that. And the 10 feet was like an accomplishment for me. But let me tell you something, everything in life take time and practice. So this isn't it for me. I will one day come back to Rick's Cafe and jump off that, and I say 70 feet, but me jump off at the 30 feet. But it's a matter of time. But yes guys, it's quite an experience. I enjoyed it. My time in Negril was well spent. No regrets whatsoever. The journey is long from Kingston, but it was worth it. I tell you guys, you know, enjoy life. As I always say guys, don't be mediocre. Don't be mediocre. Because I've vowed to never be mediocre, and I'm telling you, you should too. Enjoy life guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Hit that post notification bell, you know, so you won't miss any videos I post. Leave a comment, let me know if you're going to check out Negril or Rick's Cafe or all the other places that I've been to, you know. Yeah man, so see you guys on the next video. Over and out.